And 11:15 na. Ngayon lang ako kakain. Kakabangon ko lang. Hindi ako pumasok kagabi. Because I'm really feeling under the weather. And yeah. Grabe yung sipon ko. Nagluluha yung mata ko. Hindi ako makahinga ng maayos. Actually, nag-start na to nung Wednesday pa lang. And gumrabe na nga siya ngayon. Ang sakit din ng dito ko. Yung ulo ko. Tapos yung lower back ko, ang sakit. Si Sam to kasi Dan, ang aga nilang bumangon kanina. Kasi ang aga nagising ni Sam. Like 5 a.m. And then, ngayon natutulog si Dan. Kasi ang aga nilang bumangon. So, kakain lang ako oatmeal. First meal of the day. And then, I have a cake here. It's from work. Kumuha lang ako kahapon bago ko mag-out. Yeah. We are supposed to go sa car dealer today. Because we're gonna check one car. Ewan lang kung matutuloy kami. Siguro pag nagising si Dan. And then, tomorrow is Sunday. It's church day. So, yeah. Let's see.
Mom! Stop!
Why? Mommy wants to hug you. Hmm? I don't want Mommy to hug you.
Yeah, I don't want. I'll just play.
Remy! You cute?
I should see one her.
This is our outfit
Look,
for today. And I'm just gonna wear a cardi.
I want this army today.
Big na ng ating baby. We are 23 weeks tomorrow. Hello. Hi. Siguro ano na, 2:30 p.m. And me and Sam were already done getting up. I mean, preparing for our lakad today. Hapon na nga eh. Pero hanggang 5 naman daw yung dealer. So, okay lang. I-test drive lang naman namin yung car. And then, dadaan lang kami sa sister ni Dan. Saglit. And, uwi na din kasi bukas may church. So, ito lang yung suot natin. Tayo ay naka-cardigan lang in black dress. Yeah. We're just waiting for Dan kasi naglinis pa siya ng car. And naliligo na siya ngayon and we're gonna go after. I'll just prepare Sam's bag. Because I always bring her extra clothes and nagdadala na rin ako ng pajama kasi pag nagpupunta kami sa sister ni Dan, talagang non-stop laro siya doon with her cousins. So, minsan, pag biyahe namin pa uwi, nakakatulog na siya sa biyahe. So, wina-wash up ko na siya doon para at least after na, pagdating namin dito sa bahay, pwede na lang namin siyang patulugin agad. Diretso tulog na. And also, that's our, ito palang ating earrings. It's just from Shein. This one I got from TK Maxx. My rings from Shein as well. But this one, ito, from Saudi. My engagement ring and my wedding ring. So, ito lang yung totoong gold na suot natin for today's vid.
I want the
Yeah,
clothes.
that's it. Our hair is
I want the clothes.
just wavy kinemerot na ganyan. Tinatamad na kasi akong magplancha. So, pinaplancha ko lang yung ditong part.
Mom,
Just wait for mom, okay?
can I see?
May bag din kasi siya. I'll show you. What do you want mommy to do?
I want to fix my bed.
You want mommy to close the zipper?
Yeah, close the zipper.
Okay, mommy will help you. Okay? Are you ready to go?
Yeah, I ready to go at Yuna.
Okay.
We're going to at Yuna and at Yuna.
Yes.
We're going.
Are you excited?
Yeah!
Again.
Yeah!
You're gonna play with Ate Yuna and Ate Noah.
Yes, so fun.
Pag napanood ng police itong vlog ni Mami, lagot ka kasi hindi ka sumasakay. Umupo sa car seat mo. Ikaw,
Sorry, can you put on your seatbelt here?
ikaw ang ibabayad namin sa...
Can you sit down here in the seatbelt
Yes.
so that the police will not catch you? Come on.
Mami put you in the car seat, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, can you put Sammy on the seatbelt so that...
Sammy! Sammy! You're in the car seat now. Very good. I love you. I love you.
Tapos yung tire. Sabi
Ito
ko
yung
yung...
gusto naming car. 5-door na siya. Ang maganda dito, sliding door itong dito. So,
Sinara na yata nila.
maganda siyang madali kang maglagay ng baby sa car seat. Malaki yung boot.
Oo, anong kamalahayan yun?
Ford B-Max.
Ayun, makita mo dito. From here.
Kaya, hindi pa pala matitest drive ni Dan kasi hindi ba ready yung car. But, yeah, maganda naman. Okay lang din yung pagka-blue. Hindi siya yung gustong-gusto ko na pagka-blue, but I think it's okay. Pumasok na ako dito sa car, ang lamig kasi. And, the reason why tulog. The reason why we are looking to buy or a new car, well, hindi naman siya brand new, it's second hand, but kaya gusto namin kumuha is gusto na namin palitan tong car na to kasi tong car namin is 3-door and mahirapan kami kung maglalagay kami ng another car seat. And kailangan namin ng 5-door na car para mas madali kaming
I-test drive lang daw namin
makapag sige. Para
Para
madali kaming makakapaglagay ng car seat, malagay yung baby. Kasi ito, 3-door, mahirap talagang gaganon-ganon ka pa. Yuyuko-yuko ka pa. So, that's the reason why tumitingin ulit kami and ibebenta namin tong car na to. Para makabili nga ng bago. Because it's really hindi pa malaming kaya na dalawa yung car. Dahil hindi pa rin naman ako marunong. And hopefully, matuto na tayong mag-drive kasi para kahit sino sa amin pwede mag-drive, 'di ba? Especially kapag alam mo na yung baby. Like, syempre minsan kailangan kung then kunyari kami lang na nasa bahay and kailangan na umalis, may kailangan puntahan, alam mo yun, para madali ko rin madadala yung mga bata. So, it's very, 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 very ideal na marunong din talaga akong mag-drive. And ideal din na talaga rin na parang dalawa yung car, but syempre hindi pa natin afford yan, mga besh. Yan, umalis sila. Test drive lang daw nila yung car. Maliit lang din siya na car, but yeah, okay na rin. Gusto ko yung sliding door siya. Pero maliit lang din yung loob. Hindi siya ganun kalaki, but yan pa lang naman yung pasok sa budget natin. Yun. Yeah. After this, we're going to Daniel's sister. Di pa ako nag-lunch. I just had my brunch, pero oatmeal lang yun and cake and coffee. So, gutom na ako. Hindi ako nakapagdala ng something to munch on while waiting. Yeah. Hopefully, maganda yung car. Hopefully, wala siyang masyadong sira. Kasi itong binili namin to na car. Oh my gosh. Kung alam niyo lang kung magkano na yung mga napagawa namin dito. Sakit din sa bangs. Kahit wala akong bangs. Yeah.
Grabe no, lamig sa Isle of Man.
Ito ang kanilang kitchen. Masikip din no?
Paano kinati Trina?
Oo. Yan. Ang maganda dito, meron silang backyard. Pwedeng mag-barbecue. Pwede silang mag-lime dry dyan pag summer. Yan. Tapos, ito yung living room. Pero wala pa silang upuan.
Pasensya na kayo talaga.
Wala pang couch.
Meron kasi ako nakausap na nagbigay pa siya ng
Ito yung pataas.
kasong problema naman sa kanya. Wala daw.
Paakyat sa taas. Let's see.
You feel cold? You feel cold? Oh, she can wear mine. She can wear mine. Do you want? Here go.
Hello! Ang ganda namang bed nyo.
Here go.
Nag-change siya?
Nilamig siguro.
Here go. She can have my frozen thing.
So many toys. Wala naman.
Nag-change siya, oh bebe.
Ay, nilamig siya.
Use this.
This one is yours? Is this one yours?
This is their bedroom.
Ay, ito na yung ano nila, bunk bed. Sa time yan.
This is
Binili pa namin niya sa
that
Birmingham pa.
toilet. Bathroom and toilet.
So, ibig sabihin kasama to dun sa ano?
Sa mga nasa story.
Our Pinterest inspired outfit of the day. I'm 23 weeks today. And then we're just gonna put on our coat and ankle boots. Yeah.
Don't get me on
Yeah.
Look like that.
a goblin.
Yeah.
And this to the house of a Noah.
Sammy, can you drink your milk, please?
obey all of my rules. Now, what was Ezekiel speaking into? He was speaking into the human condition. And the human condition is that we are by nature a hard-hearted people. We are a stubborn people, an obstinate people, a stiff-necked people. And if we need evidence of that, we see it in God's relationship with his children Israel throughout the picture of the Old Testament, where they would crank the handle in moments. They would make a sound and the presence of God would seem to be with them, but then something would happen that would cause the broadcast to go silent. And God would withdraw, and even at times turn against them.
Sammy! Tapos na tayo mag-church. Pupunta lang ng parking. Sobrang lamig. Grabe. Coming. Sobrang lamig.
What are those?
These are birds.
Over there.
One and two.
Oh.
Hello, Sam.
Mom, what's that?
Pauwi na, pero kakain muna pala kami.
McDonald's.
Sa Mackey's, kasi wala kaming food. Magluluto pa. So, let's eat here, Sammy.
Here. I'm gonna go out of the gossip.
Papadating na yung bus?
Wait.
Papadating na yung bus niya? Oh dear. Dito nga kami sa sa McDo. Dito na lang muna kami kaka.